Hey, I'm ERISA disability attorney Nancy Cavey, and I'm in Boulder, Colorado. I have a nationwide practice, and I am often asked by people, how do I get a copy of my policy or plan? Because you've told me in earlier videos I need to get a copy of it. Well, the first thing you should do is go to your HR department and ask them for a copy of your policy or plan. And if they won't give it to you, I would suggest that you send them an email or a letter, certified mail, asking for a copy of that policy or plan. If they don't give it to you after your second request, I strongly suggest that you contact an attorney such as myself. Why? Because the ERISA statute requires that your employer provide you with a copy of your disability policy or plan. And if they don't, we can file a lawsuit in federal court for the sole purposes of getting a copy of that policy or plan. And better yet, a federal judge can award attorney's fees for their failure to provide the policy or plan to you, but they can also award a penalty, a daily penalty, for your employer's failure to provide you with a copy of the policy or plan. It's crucial that you get that before you start working and apply for benefits, because you need to understand your rights, your responsibilities, and what the disability carrier's rights and responsibilities are. At the end of the day, you have the burden to prove your entitlement to your benefits. And you can't do that unless you have your policy or plan. If you have any questions, call me at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I can help you regardless of where you live in the United States.